I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to IDX TV. We're here at the Package Fulfillment, Logistics and Delivery Expo here in Cincinnati, and I'm delighted to be joined by Alex from Bastian Solutions. Hi Alex, thanks for being here.
Happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
Now, can you tell us a bit about Bastian Solutions and your background?
Sure. So, Bastian Solutions has been around for about 70 years. We were acquired by Toyota Industries in 2017. So, we're part of the Toyota Advanced Logistics Group. We're really focused on finding solutions for our customers for automation and robotics within the warehousing and manufacturing environments. Really, our focus is solving problems for customers, understanding their challenges, their needs, and then figuring out which pieces of automation or robotics will help solve that need. And we will apply the software, the engineering, the design characteristics. So my background at Bastian has really been in a sales format. So I lead our business development team and do sort of educational industry sessions, shows, calling with customers, helping them understand, what do we do, what does the market provide, and those sort of things that they may not be too well versed in. And we have obviously pretty good understanding of what the market offers and how to apply those technologies.
And tell us more about automation and how it's changed over the last couple of years.
Sure. So automation has taken a dramatic step forward in the past, I would say 5 years or so, specifically in North America. So like an analogy I kind of make is Europe and Asia, really more Europe has been more heavily automated than the US has been. And we're kind of like maybe 10 years, a decade or so behind Europe. And so those same types of challenges that Europe has had in terms of less space, space is more costly, people and productivity, it just becomes more and more expensive. We're facing all those same challenges now in the United States. And then COVID just exacerbated that. And so automation was already kind of on an uptick as customers needed to figure out ways to store more inventory, to be more efficient with their space and with the people and the associates to be more productive. And then once COVID happened and e-commerce really, obviously took a front seat, our business and many people in our space just exploded because the need was just incredible. And so now you have a whole lot of new solutions. It's really exciting. There's new robotics companies. And really a lot of that's funded by the need of the market and then backed by venture capital or private equity firms who see the opportunities. So they're just throwing money at all these companies saying, hey, we know there's opportunity, which is great for the market because it creates a whole lot of new solutions and technologies and things to choose from and helping solve the problems differently.
But you're saying that you're 10 years behind Europe on the automation front. Is there a plan in place to kind of get up to speed with Europe?
Yeah, I think we were seeing those trends maybe a decade behind, but I see us accelerating and adopting a lot of the European technologies and methodologies really that are on par now with Europe. So we have a ways in many industries to kind of catch up to the mechatronic automation. The technologies are in place, and frankly, a lot of the technologies we implement, you'll see, are from European manufacturers, and we're just kind of catching up to that speed and scale now. Yeah.
And what are the main supply chain trends to consider in this market at the moment?
So supply chain trends, everybody obviously feels the pains of supply chain. Even if you're just kind of an average person without any industry knowledge at all, everybody knows the supply chain is a mess. so that's not good for the average person. It's not good for business. So the trends are really what we're seeing. There's a little bit more onshoring. There's more of a focus on having space available for inventory here in the United States. The space demands are accelerated. So, in terms of U.S. warehousing availability, there's only about 4.2% vacancy rate, which is a 30-year low. And as the continued demand for e-com continues to grow, this will be the first $1 trillion year for e-commerce. The need for additional space to be able to process all that has grown. And so you have all these new warehouses and new demands for space and people, and it just continues to grow, and it's a continued challenge, yeah.
And can you share any future developments or strategies of Bastian Solutions?
So we like to stay on the cutting edge, but not the bleeding edge. So for us, a lot of it's educational about who are the players in the market, who do we think is providing the best solutions, and then how can we make sure that those solutions and those technologies get proven out so we can release them at scale and they're reliable. So for us, it's about making sure that we understand where those technologies fit and how to apply them at scale and that they'll be reliable, and which is exciting because there's so many new technologies. We get to learn and understand from many of them. but also being conscientious of not moving too fast, because there's a bit of room for some of these companies to kind of prove out, and we'll work with them on those kind of initial proving out use cases. So our strategy is really to continue to embrace the newest, the best, and find ways to implement that and help our customers ultimately.
That sounds great. Well, thank you so much for your time, Alex, and good luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for watching IDX TV, brought to you by CCL.